Hello everyone, welcome to my final project video for English vocabulary. I am aku.fatiyeu. I'm from the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, majoring in English Education Study Program at Sriwijaya University. Well, in this presentation, I will be presenting important words from two areas, study and work. Also understand their meanings and see how these words shape real life situation. And I'll also show how these words are used in real life situation and compare the similarities and differences between the world of studying and the world of working. Work and study are two major parts of our lives. As students, we focus on learning new skills, completing assignments, and preparing for future careers. In the workplace, we apply those skills to professional tasks, collaborate with colleagues, and build our careers. So, learning vocabulary related to these two areas help us communicate effectively in academic and professional environments. Now, let's look at vocabulary about study. Let's start with study-related vocabulary. These some vocabulary that we often hear in the study. Curriculum, assignment, deadline, lecture, seminar, tutorial, major, minor, academic performance, research, teamwork, presentation, practical skills, examination, GPA or grade point average, revision, syllabus, learning materials, group project, and attendance. Okay, here's the example. Next, let's move on to work vocabulary. Here, each word represents professional's life. For example, we have occupation, responsibilities, workload, career path, promotion, salary, qualification, internship, full-time position, part-time job, schedule, supervisor, colleges, workplace, productivity, overtime, job application, interview, and professional skills. Well, work and study are different, but they also share many similarities. When we compare both chapters, the vocabulary shows us the similarities and differences. Now, let's look at the similarities. First, both require time management. Second, both involve completing tasks like assignments or work responsibilities. And third, both need communication and teamwork. So, what is the differences? Well, in school, the focus is on learning, while in work, the focus is on productivity. So, students follow a curriculum, while employers follow company policy. So, academic performance is graded, while workplace performance is evaluated for career growth. Understanding vocabulary from these chapters help us to express ideas more clearly. And when we talk about our studies, we can describe our major, assignments, or deadline. When we talk about our work life, we can describe our responsibilities, career path, or workload. So, mastering vocabulary helps us sound more professional and confident. Many students today also work part-time. They must manage their workload from both school and their job. For example, I have a flexible schedule at my part-time job, so I can attend lectures in the morning and work in the afternoon. Well, this shows how vocabulary from both chapters can be used together in real-life situations. To conclude, we learned important vocabulary from the topic works and study, while we compare their similarities and differences, and explore how these words are used in daily life. So, I hope this presentation helps you understand this concept more clearly. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.